Let's look at 5 reasons that people may self-harm. I've worked with self-harmers for over 20 years, and I'm here to tell you they see it as a coping skill. It's not a good one, but people who use it do so to cope with intense feelings. So number 1 is emotional regulation. Self-harm is frequently used as a way to cope with overwhelming or intense emotions. Sometimes it's used as a release. The physical pain provides a temporary distraction from emotional pain, acting as a release valve for feelings like anger, sadness, anxiety, or emptiness. Another reason is to feel something. So in dealing with those emotions, individuals sometimes feel numb or disconnected, and self-harm provides a sense of being alive and real through the physical sensation. Number 2 is self-punishment. So some people use self-harm as a way to punish themselves for perceived wrongdoings or feelings of worthlessness. They may feel they deserve to be hurt, or that self-harm is a way to atone for something or make up for something they believe they did wrong. Number 3 is communication of distress. So self-harm can be a way to communicate to others that a person is struggling and needs help, especially when they find it difficult to verbally express or articulate their feelings. While not always a conscious attempt to seek attention, the visible signs of self-harm can be a way for others to recognize the person's pain. So sometimes there's attention seeking, but sometimes it's not. It's just an outward expression of pain. Number 4 is gaining a sense of control. So in situations where people feel powerless or overwhelmed, self-harm can provide a sense of control over their own bodies and their pain. And number 5 is coping with dissociation. So for some individuals who experience dissociation, which is feeling detached from your body or from reality, self-harm can be a way to feel grounded and connected to their physical selves. As I said, learning to regulate emotions is crucial to overcoming the urge to self-harm. DBT principles can help with this. There are lots of books that you can read that can help with this. You can also check out my series on dealing with intense emotions. If you're struggling with self-harm, please know that help is available. There are various therapies and even some medications that have been used to successfully treat self-harm. Don't give up. There is a different way.